Use DeepSeek to earn high-ticket commissions in 3 easy steps. Nella Fernandez here, and today we will see how we can do that. So I've left a link to my community where you can follow along. You can get the prompts as well of what we are talking about. But if you do not want to, you can directly do it from here. So let's have a look. So if you do get into my community, you would want to click on this free docs and this first one, high ticket affiliate marketing with DeepSeek AI. So the first thing is you have to enroll for DeepSeek AI if you have not yet done that. So your first step is that. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to DeepSeek. So you should come to a page like this once you click that link and you hit on the start now. If you have not yet enrolled, it would take you to a page like this where you'd want to sign up. Hit the sign up button and you'd put in all your email address, password, confirmation. So you could either sign up with that or you can sign up with Google. So you get a verification code like this. So you put in the code there, confirm, and sign up. And you should be taken to a prompt page like this. So what you want to do is click on this one, DeepSeek. You can keep the search as well on, both of them on, and you want to start searching from here. So we go on to the next step, find products. Now we can do it two ways. I've given you two ways, A and B, you can see here. So the first one would be to use a prompt. So we'll use a DeepSeek prompt. So we can copy that. I'm copying it and I'm going to put it into DeepSeek and we'll run the prompt. So I need to put my niche. So say it was health niche. Okay, so it's giving me irrespective of me not putting in the niche. So I would need to put a niche to get a better search result. Maybe I'll pause that. And let's see if I can resend. I'm going to resend that. Okay, so sometimes you do tend to get this, the server is busy thing. So hopefully this would get sorted out as the product improves. But as of now, you do tend to get a lot of this server's busy thing. So I'll try it a little later. Okay, now trying the second way. So I can do a check on this. So I'll do it from Google. Copy that. Okay, so these are so I'm getting a Chat GPT prompt here also as well. And you can see various high ticket offers. So you can check out the various high ticket offers that are available online. You can see this Smart Nora is a very good thing for snoring. So you can try that out as well. So next step is we want to go to the sales page and view the product. So if you are looking at, say, Smart Nora, so let's look at that. So I'm searching for Smart Nora affiliate program. And so this is the website. You can have a look. Mostly the affiliate links would be at the bottom of the page, right at the bottom. So I'll scroll right down. So this page is still loading up. So now say this is the sales page and we've got the affiliate link also after applying for it and getting approved. So what am I going to do? I'm going to copy the URL of this page. And now I'm going to go to the next step, which is to write an article. So what you're going to do is firstly put the product name. So this would be, if this was the Smart Nora thing here, and the sales page URL. So I'll put the sales page URL. So I can copy this whole prompt and I'm going to put this again in my AI tool. Again, I will put it in my AI tool. I could put this thing like Smart Nora and I'll hit create. We'll wait for it to do its work. So now I've got the outcome of the prompt. Now I will have to I will write a Medium article on it. So I'll go to Medium and put a new story out there. So that's my Medium article out there. Now the next thing I want to do is I need to just spruce this up a bit. I need to put my affiliate link here at the bottom where the call to action is. So once I have that, I can just hit publish and then my post is live out there. Anyone clicks on the link, goes to the sales page and buys from there, you'd get a commission. So now this falls under the sales page and getting the traffic part of this TLC method. If you're unaware of this TLC method and you want to know more about it, how you use affiliate marketing to actually start earning big commissions, you can leave a comment below so that I can make another video about this TLC method and how you use it to get real good commissions. So then you can see my other videos of how to earn with Warrior Plus and other platforms, and also how to earn using faceless reels as such. So catch you in the other videos. Take care. Bye.